Search, Cortana, privacy, update, and security. Let's talk about these four at the end of Windows 10 settings. I'm gonna start with search. Now in here, we have a lot of options for searching and making the setting. I'm not gonna go through each option and click and test it. So I'm just here to tell you and make your awareness that you have these options in Windows 10. And you have the safe search. It's the first priority thing that comes up once you click on search. Strict, moderate, and off. So if you want to have a safer search, I really go with the strict search, okay? Because it filter out adult text, images, and videos for my web result. And I go really good with the Madrid because it's personal computer, so I don't need it really about the searching filtration. I have the cloud content search options in here and history. I can clean my device history from here. We have the searching windows. You can see now I indexed it. My computer indexed these much. And I can say classic or enhanced, any search I wanted to. Or I can exclude files in here. As you can see, I've excluded files. Search will not look in the folders, okay? And we have more details about the search in here. But the most searching in here is really this guy. And once you change that setting, we'll have the changes in the type here to search. Okay, that's it. Cortana is where you can talk with Cortana. You can manage all the Cortana settings from here. Checking microphone about let Cortana respond to Hey Cortana, and using shortcut Windows logo key plus C and lock screen and everything. And we have much more languages in here. I'm gonna say with the United Kingdom. Still, it don't have United States because it's already chosen, okay? And that's it. Use Cortana, access my calendar, email address, and everything. Yes, if you wanted to check mark, and if not, don't. We have the permission in here, again, through the link, through the web, and more details. Privacy is another thing that it's really important for managing your privacy in computer. Now, we have a lot of options in here that I'm not going to go through each because you're smarter than me right now. And so you can manage that. For example, you want to have higher privacy over your camera. So you can come to camera and change the camera for that thing in here. So you can change, you can turn off and no application will access your camera. And you can manually manage that. For example, you want it to have no access. For example, Skype should not have any access to my camera. You can turn off that. Let's see. It says choose which Microsoft Store apps can access your camera. Allow desktop apps to access your camera. So these are allowed in here. And you can manage that and you can turn that off. So you really look and search, look up for your need whenever you have higher privacy and really come up and change the setting for you. For example, microphone. And that's it about the privacy because it's too important. Just come up and change the thing you wanted to, the thing that is you're scared of, for example, and you can turn that off in here and no application will access that. And finally, we have update and security, which means that you can really manage your computer security and update. For me, I paused it because I don't want to waste my internet. So you can manage that and you can pause update for more or 7 days. And I can really pause that and I can change active hours, view update history or advanced options. In here, you can get updates from the Windows 10. So we have Windows Update, we have delivery optimization. For me, it's disabled right now. We have Windows security, that everything is fine, but a virus and threat protection needs action. We have the backup. In the backup, you can back up to any drive your file history and really have it later on. Troubleshoot is the first option to look out whenever you have internet problem or something else. So you can click and you can find and fix the problem. And recovery is where you can recover your computer or reset this PC, or advanced startup. And activation is where you can see the activation part. My computer is already activated using my organization, so no key. And find my device for developers, Windows program is another option for Windows setting. Now I didn't go through each options because you should have the ability and skills to check by yourself. And you can do that because it's English and it's so much easy. Now we will talk about how to maintain computer in the maintain section and how to buy a laptop into Windows into really buying section. Okay, so don't worry. And this is all for the Windows 10. It's basic and it's really not big idea. But the one option I really didn't talk of is about the shortcuts, how you can manage using shortcut. Of course, I'm gonna put a video on that too. And another option is whenever you right click, you have a lot of these options in here. I think we talked about that. But I didn't talk about one thing, about the advanced thing like BitLocker or something like that. You understand these things, okay? And turn BitLocker and properties, about the security. I didn't talk about that because we'll talk about that into next section.